Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. If you're a trader and you ask one of these following questions, then this video is for you. Yeah, questions like, can I make a decent living from trading? Yeah, how much capital do I need to make a decent living? What do I need to risk, each trade for me to make a decent living out of trading? All right, so I get asked these questions all the time, and obviously these are very logical questions. Yeah, you're not getting into trading for a hobby, you're getting into trading to make money. Yeah, with a view to, doing it full time. So perfectly reasonable questions, guys. All right. So we're going to look at the mathematics behind that and your options, really, guys. Okay, so let's say you have a $10,000 account. Okay, you have 10K in a trading account. All right, let's say you risk, bear with me, I have to use this mouse pen. I probably should have wrote this out earlier, but there you go. Let's say you risk 1% per trade. Okay, and that equates to monthly profit. Okay, yeah, let's say of 2%. Okay, and 2% a month is still a very good income, a very good trading percentage, should we say? Yeah, if you made 2% every month, you're making 24% a year. You are beating most hedge funds, to give you an idea of how good that is. Okay. So yeah, you risk 1% a trade. So you're risking $100 per trade. Yeah. And at the end of the month, with some winners, some losers, etc., you basically make 2%. You make $200 per month. Okay. It depends where you live in the world, but most people can't live on $200. Okay, yeah, definitely not in Dubai. Yeah, that's like one beer. So what are your options, guys? Your options are these. Yeah, and this is it. It's as simple as this. You can either increase your capital. Yeah. Okay, obviously this isn't easy, but there are some options available to you. There's prop firms, there's third-party investment. If you can show to someone you're making 2% every month, you are highly investable. Yeah, let me tell you that, guys. You are highly investable. You make 24% a year, every year, people will be throwing their money at you. If I give you 100K, you're going to give me 24K back. Yeah, absolutely out of this world return. All right, so remember that you're highly investable if you're making this 2% per month. Yeah, and there's options out there, prop firms, but other than prop firms, there are other third-party investment asset management companies. All right. So yeah, if you're getting consistency, people will invest, but you need to get consistency first, obviously. All right. But we're not talking about trading here. We're talking about the mathematics behind you making enough money each month. So let's say, yeah, you get third-party investment. Someone's really impressed with you and they give you 100K. Okay. Now this 2%, yeah, we're still making 2%. So this 2% now becomes $2,000 per month. Okay. But bear in mind, guys, if you're doing third-party investment, they want to, there will be a profit share. Okay. So you need to understand that. So there's one option, you increase capital. And there are options out there, guys. If you dig a little bit deeper, you'll find some third-party investment companies, but you need consistency. So there's your first option. You've only got two options, increase capital, all right? Or you increase your risk per trade, okay? So let's say now, guys, you are now willing to risk, let's say 3% per trade. Based on this 10K account size, 3%, yeah, based on this mathematics, 1% risk equals 2% monthly profit, 3% risk equals 6% monthly profit. All right, so now you're making $600 a month, and 3% risk isn't crazy, guys. Yeah, you're not risking 10%. It's only 3%, you know, per trade. You'd have to go wrong 33.3 times. You'd have to have 33.3 losing trades in a row to blow your account. Yeah, so 3% is not crazy risk. Now you're making $600 a month on 10K, yeah, or, you know, on your 100K, you're making $6,000 a month. Yeah, you know, let's say 5%. Again, not totally crazy. You would have to have 20 losing trades on the trot. Yeah, 5% risk. Basically, you're making 10% profit, again, based on this original 1%, 2%. Yeah, so you're making $1,000 a month on 10K, and on 100K, you're making 10K. Okay, so these are the things you need to think about, guys. And there's going to be a sweet point for you, because, you know, what I need to live will be different from what you need to live each month. Yeah, maybe you've got a big family. Maybe you live in Dubai. Maybe you live, you know, somewhere quite remote. The cost of living is very cheap. I don't know. But you need to find a sweet spot for you. All right. And just to reiterate, guys, you've got two options: increase capital or increase risk per trade. That's it. Okay. And then you can see how it scales up quite quickly, guys. All right. So yeah, they're your options, guys. And like I say, this sweet point is, you know, it depends what you want to earn each month, how much capital you've got, you know, how much you're willing to risk, how much you need each month. You need to do that mathematics and work it out for yourself. So if you say, look, I need $2,000 per month, then I need to risk X% per trade based on my current performance. Yeah, your current performance might be, I risk 1% per trade and I make 4% each month. Okay, then again, you know, the mathematics change. But what doesn't change, guys, excuse me, is you can either increase capital or increase risk per trade. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope that answers a lot of questions for you with regards to, you know, can I make a profit from trading? You know, can I make a serious living? And the answer is yes, guys, you can, but you do need to crunch these figures and understand this better. All right, guys, so I hope that helps. If it has, then, you know, please subscribe to the channel right now. Also, guys, if you could smash the notification button so that you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button if you've enjoyed this vid. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.